Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make capital letter L. It is very easy letter to make, no assembly required, and when this letter is finished, if you are using same materials as I did, it will be approximately 6.5 centimeters high. I am using 3mm crochet hook for this letter, scissors obviously, and some double knit yarn. Before we start, I am gonna mention things what I'm always mentioning. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to visit my blog, which you can find in the description below. In my blog you can find a written pattern for this letter and more patterns, free patterns. As well, if you would like to, you can buy a coffee for me, link in the description below. So that's enough talking, let's start making this letter. We are going to start with chain of 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have a chain of 14 stitches. Now we are moving to row number 1. We are going to start our row number 1 from the second stitch, and we are going to do single crochet in next 13 stitches, and at the end of our row number 1 we are going to have 13 stitches in a row. So let's do 1 single crochet in next 13 stitches starting from the second stitch. Finished our row number 1 where we did 1 single crochet in 13 stitches, and now we are moving to row number 2. We are going to start our row number 2 with chain 1, turn our chain. We're going to do 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and now we are going to do 1 single crochet till the end of our row number 2. It will be 12 single crochets till the end of row number 2. Finished 2 rows of our letter L, and we still have 13 stitches in our row. Now we are moving to row number 3, and we are going to start this row with chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a chain of 8 stitches, and our letter is developing sort of shape of letter L. And we are going to work on this chain. We are going to start from the 3rd stitch, skipping first 2 stitches, and we are going to do 1 double crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we're getting closer to the main body of our letter L, and we are going to do finishing touch, which will be slip stitch in the 3rd stitch from the beginning of our round. So 1, 2, 3, we're just going to slip stitch this to the main body like that, and have a look how our letter L looks now. It is almost complete. The only thing what we need to do, we just need to cut it off finish it off. If you're using this letter for a project and you're going to attach it to something, I would recommend for you leaving long tail for sewing, as I did this time. And that our letter L is complete. As we finished this letter, we are coming to the end of our video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and I hope you're gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.